If CapCut's smooth slow motion is not working for you, don't worry, because in this video, I'm going to walk you through the fastest fixes step by step so you can get clean, buttery slow motion again without guessing what went wrong. This usually happens because of cached files, the wrong engine setting, or because CapCut has not finished generating the effect yet. So stay with me, and by the end of this guide, you should be able to fix the issue and get your clip working properly. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick CapCut fixes and editing tips. Alright, let's jump in. The first thing you want to do is clear the render cache. Over time, CapCut collects temporary files that can interfere with AI processing and slow motion rendering. To do this, go to the top left corner and click Menu, then Open Settings. Inside the Settings window, go to the Project tab. Here, look for the cache size option and click the trash can icon next to it. This will clear out the temporary files that may be blocking smooth slow motion from rendering correctly. Once that's done, give CapCut a moment to refresh and try your clip again. If the problem is still there, the next step is to reapply smooth slow motion with the correct engine selected. Click your clip on the timeline so it becomes active. Then look at the top right panel and choose the Speed tab. Lower the speed slider below 1.0 times, such as 0.5 times or even 0.3 times, depending on how dramatic you want the slow motion to be. After that, check the box for Smooth Slow-Mo. This is the part many people miss. Open the drop-down menu and make sure the engine is set to Optical Flow instead of frame blending. Optical Flow is usually the better option for smoother motion because it generates more natural in-between frames. If you leave it on the wrong mode, CapCut may not process the effect properly, or the result may look choppy or fail to apply at all. Now, after you've selected the correct settings, the third thing you need to do is allow CapCut to finish background processing. Look closely at the top left area of the preview player. You should see a small percentage counter that says something like Applying Smooth Slow-Mo. This means CapCut is still generating the effect in the background. Do not keep scrubbing the playhead, switching clips, or forcing playback too early. If you interrupt it before it reaches 100%, the slow motion can break, glitch, or never finish rendering correctly. So the key here is patience. Let CapCut process the effect fully, and once it reaches 100%, preview the clip again. In many cases, that alone fixes the issue. But if your timeline is still jittering, lagging, or giving you an error, there is one more fix you can try. Go back to Menu, then open Settings again, and this time go to the Performance section, turn Proxy on and set it to 720p. Also make sure hardware acceleration is enabled. These settings can help CapCut run more smoothly, especially if your computer is struggling with heavier effects or high-resolution footage. Proxy can reduce playback stress, while hardware acceleration helps your system process video faster using your device's graphics support. After changing those settings, restart CapCut if needed, then reapply the slow motion effect one more time. At this point, the smooth slow motion should work much better. So to quickly recap, first clear the cache, then reapply the effect using Optical Flow, let the background processing finish all the way to 100%, and if needed, enable proxy and hardware acceleration in performance settings. These 4 fixes solve most smooth slow motion problems in CapCut, and they can save you a lot of time when an effect just refuses to work. If this guide helped you, please give the video a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss more CapCut editing tutorials and troubleshooting videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.